Hi guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So in today's session, we're going to see how to do addition of three fractions. Okay, so this is the question which is given to you. Okay, so we need to do addition of this three fraction. In my previous video, I've already explained you all how to do addition of fractions if my denominators are the same, if my denominators are not the same. Okay, if one denominator is not given. Okay, so you can go through my previous videos and check how to do addition of different type of fractions. Okay, so let's solve this. Okay, so here in this question you are given three fractions and you need to add this three fraction. Okay, so whenever such type of questions are given to you all, what you're going to do, you all are going to go for the LCM method. Make a habit of copying your question as a part of your answer. Okay, so what are we going to do? We are going to find the LCM of my denominators. And why are we doing this? Okay, in order to make our denominator same. Once our denominators become same, what we can do? We can directly combine the denominator. Okay, so what we are going to do is, the very first step is, we are going to perform LCM on my denominator. Okay, so what is there in my denominator? It is 10 comma then 5 comma and then it is 2. Okay, so now again, in order to find the LCM, always start from the smallest number. Okay, which means you're going to start from the 2 times table and check whether the given numbers comes in 2 times table or not. Okay, so let's check. 10 comes in 2 times table, it does come, right? So what it is? 2 5s are 10. Okay, next, does 5 comes in 2 times table? It does not come. So I'm going to copy 5 as it is, since it is not coming in 2 times table. And my last number is what? 2. 2 comes in 2 times table? Yes, it does. So again it will be 1. Okay, so next again, what do I want? I want 5, right? So obviously 5 doesn't come in 2 times table, so I'm not going to write 2 again. Next, does it come in 3 times table? It does not come. It comes in 4 times table? No. 5 times table? Yes. Okay, so again what we are going to do? We are going to write 5 1s are 5, 5 1s are 5, and then 1 we are going to copy as it is. So once we get 1, what are you going to do? We are going to stop with the LCM. Okay, then what are you going to do? You are going to multiply these two numbers. Okay, so basically what you are going to do now, you are going to multiply the two numbers which are getting on your left hand side. Okay, so what it is? So it is 2 into 5, so it is 10, which means what? Whatever you are getting, whatever is the least common multiple, that you should be getting in your denominator. Okay, so what you're going to do is, okay, so first we'll deal with one fraction at a time. So what it is? 7 upon 10. So my denominator is already 10, so I don't have to do any multiplication and get it, make it as 10. Okay, so for simplicity, if you want, you can write like this also. 10 1s are 10. This is not necessary. If you want, you write it. Okay, next is what? Plus. Next again, 2 upon 5. So as I told you, I want my denominator to become 10. So if what I have to do to get my denominator as 10? I have to multiply 5 with something, right? So 5 what is 10? Okay, so it is what? 5 what is 5 2s is 10. So whatever you're multiplying in your denominator, the same number you're going to multiply in your numerator. Okay, next, go to the next fraction, which is 3 upon 2. Okay, so again, I want my denominator as 10. Okay, so 2 what is 10? It is 2 5s are 10. So whatever you're multiplying down, same thing you're going to multiply on my numerator. Okay, so now let us multiply. Now your normal multiplication. What it is? 7 1s are 7, 10 1s are 10, plus 2 2s are 4, 5 2s are 10, plus 3 5s are 15 and 2 5s are 10. Okay, so now normal addition. Now what are you going to do? Now your denominators are same. So if my denominators are same, what did I tell you all to do? You just have to combine it. Okay, so again my numerators are not the same, but how to write it? 7 plus 4 plus 15 upon, since my denominators are same, I'm going to write as it is. Okay, I'm just writing it over here. So 7 plus 4 plus 15, what are we going to get? 7 plus 4 is how much? 11, and 11 plus 15 is 26. Okay, so it is 26 upon 10. Now check, 26 and 10 comes in one table. Okay, it comes, right? So what we can do? This is a normal cancellation. If you want, you can do division also. Okay, so and now the numbers are ending with 0 and 6, right? So obviously it can come in 2 times table. So what we can do? 2 5s are 10, then again 2 ones are 2 and 2 threes are 6. Now check, 13 and 5 comes in one table? No, right? Both are prime numbers. Okay, so it is not going to come in any other table. It is going to come in their table itself. Okay, so what are we getting? The answer is 13 upon 5. Okay, so this is how we need to do addition of 3 fraction. I hope this is clear to you. Thank you.